Hello, everybody. Good morning. Good morning, Pip Hunter. Good morning. With no fear. Let's make. I would like to make a million right now in this London session. And Canada is here. Hello, Penny. Welcome. Jerry, hey, good morning. Alex, good morning. Good to see you guys again. Farhad, welcome. Good morning. Let's start the show. Yanix, welcome. Good to see you, Yanix. All right. Let's start the show. All right, what is happening? Okay. And Naomi is here. Good morning, Naomi. Good to see you. Welcome. All right. So, CPI yesterday, I wasn't feeling it. Not that I wanted to short really, because could have been expected that this is just going to reprice the whole candle. But yesterday in New York, I was so tired. I don't know what was with me. I was like, I just don't want to. I don't want to trade this. Anyway, the move happened, and there is one very important level, which is I think it's important. Buy side liquidity, somewhere up around 65, relative equal highs to be exact. Hey, the Mexican John Wick. Welcome, Glenn. Good to see you, Glenn. So yeah, I think we have to watch out for that level. Also, relative equal lows down here, which could be or would be or should be considered as Asia low, down there at 872. To me, it seems like it might want to go down there. It might just want to go down there. At least that's what I think. Bowser, welcome, Bowser. And Great Dane entered the building. Welcome, Great Dane. Good morning. Okay. Let's see. Michael, welcome. What kind of car? I'm gonna tell you guys a little secret. Yesterday I put down the deposit because I checked the car in person, and I put down the deposit for the car. So today they should be doing the paperwork, and they said I can pick up the car this afternoon. So I put down the deposit, and they're going to take my Mazda. Well, I told you the reasons. So it's a brand new car for $5,500. So now I can no, I'm gonna prepare a very short video for you guys. Don't worry, it's gonna be up real soon. A very short video where we're gonna say goodbye to the Mazda, and we're gonna say hello to the new Lambo, right? For 5K. You couldn't sleep because I can tell you guys that it has automatic transmission, and it's older than 10 years. Now, it could be 20 years. It could be 30 years old. It could be 50 years old car. Who knows? It's older than 10 years. It has automatic transmission. But that's all I'm going to tell you. But the service history is super clean, super clean. The previous owners kept it absolutely in mint condition. So the car is absolutely in a great shape, and absolutely no rust, no rust. So anyway, draw out the first fair value gap Friday. It was an inversion. Let's check 9:31 Friday. Let's check it. I don't even know if I have the data. No, I should be having the data. Okay, Friday 9. Uh-oh, here we go. February 7 Friday. Here it is. Let's draw out this gap. Boom. Boom. We're going to extend it to the right, all right? Extend right. Okay. Let's give it a different color. Okay. So first fair value gap from Friday, 931. Jesus. Oh my God. We are right in it. We are right in the first fair value gap from Friday. Look at that. Look at the top. That is not random, man. Beautiful, beautiful. Good morning, MB Trader. Good morning. Yeah. Very good observation here, Bowser. Interesting. It seems like now that, you know, it has been rejected, it might want to sweep these lows. Right here. Right there. I might even jump into a short. I mean, why not? You know, on an eval. Alright, jumped into a short. Small trade. Low would be, I would go with 73-ish. This would be a scalp trade for me. Small short position. I would use a stop somewhere up there. Where is it? Okay, so here it is. Just a scalp trade on an eval. Probe trade, as I call these, probe trades. Shenanigan, hey, welcome, good morning. What is happening? Alright, so it should be sweeping that Asia low, right? I'm gonna go to the barber shop today because my hair is all over the place. I need a new haircut. Whoa! Night Killing YouTube. Night Killing _ YT. I guess that's YouTube. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome, welcome. No Wonder Wise here. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome. 865 to the high of today's 865. Let's check the latest new day opening gap. Somewhere down here. Okay. Here's today's new day opening gap. We closed somewhere around here on the micro. So, and we opened up here. Interesting. Look at this. Look at this thing. What the hell is it doing? It's repricing. Now I'm in drawdown. Oh, it was looking so good. Learning, let's go. I'm not saying I'm a good teacher though, but still, we have some very, very smart people in the chat. And I'm just acting like I know something. And anyway, we try to make a good community. But welcome. Thanks for joining. I'm not a good teacher. I couldn't be more far from being a teacher. 21,885 was Friday's open price. Okay, so that's why it's a little bit interesting here. And I thought I can also do some watching. Yeah, definitely night killing. Watching some people, collect information, gain some experience. Definitely, that's the way to go, or one of the many ways to go. So that's good. Oh, dude, this trade. Look at that. Should have put it on break even. Anyway, I thought we are gonna sweep those Asia lows down there, but I think I'm just gonna get taken out from this. No worries. I'm going to delete this area because I know now that this up here is in Friday first fair value gap, but I want to see everything else lining up today. But yes, so we are up here. We are in Friday's first fair value gap. I like this here. There's a bearish order block or supply area with this candle starting right there. Let me but it's only on, well, it's on the 5 minutes, so it's not bad. The opening of this candle is 917. What? Really? Okay. Coordinates 917. Okay, so that is a supply zone up there. I think I'm gonna get stopped out from the small scalp trade, no problem. And also another supply zone just here. So 2 supply zones at the same place. That makes me pretty much want to go long. That's the best way. Yeah. I'm not, well, I do have connections to to some big hedge funds. Giant candle. Oh, that is simple. There's an indicator which is called power of 3. Here it is. So it's called HTF power of 3 from 2 degrees. You see it has like many users already, almost 12K. And if you double click on it, what I do is I use the New York Midnight Open. Obviously you can use many time frames what to represent here, but I use the daily and I use the New York Midnight level. That's it. That's, whoa, Newts McBoots, welcome. welcome. Thanks for joining. I saw Newts McBoots on zero day. Oh my god, on J Stream. Oh my god, I couldn't say his. What the heck is happening with my OBS? Anyway, I saw News McBoots on 0 Day J's stream. So welcome. No problem. Are you going long when it goes back up? Yes, I would like to go long, but first I would be much happier if this would break this Asia low down there. I would be much more happier. But somehow it doesn't really want to do it. No problem. The trader guy, what's up? Oh, always good, always good. I'm waiting for a possible sweep here and then looking to go long. So I'm just waiting here. I had to trade a small scalp on an evaluation account. It's in a drawdown now. I can show you actually. Here it is. It's in a drawdown, but we were in profit. And then, I mean, I thought we are going to reach that Asia low, which I think it will. But first, yeah, so it might just gonna squeeze the shorts maybe a little bit higher. Oh, look at that. Nice. It's going. I invite a good morning, jó reggelt, fellow Hungarian trader. Ollie, good morning. Welcome. Uh, 100% right with the recovery to Asia high yesterday. No wonder why I was so tired yesterday. I don't even remember what I said yesterday. But if I was right, then good. But yeah, I remember. By the way, yeah, I remember. Yes, I remember now. The Asia high was definitely, yeah. Here, actually, it took over. Yeah, here. So it actually just went up and took it out. But I'm never there when I need to trade those setups. I'm just not there. Yesterday I was so tired. I don't know why. Yeah, so night killing. I usually don't really trade with minis. I trade with micros, so anywhere between 2, 3 to 10 micros, depending on the stop, depending on the target, depending on the possible risk to reward ratio. Nothing wrong with trading minis, and I know many people out there are doing good profits trading minis, so that's awesome. I don't have the nerves to do it because I just don't. I just can't do it. I'm getting totally destroyed by NQ if I trade minis. I can't handle it. I can't handle the risk. And with micros, I can take some partial profits. You know, I'm usually looking for more than a few points. Looking for, like, depending on how the market moves, like 20, 30, 50, 60, 80 points. Sometimes you guys see me going for 100 points or 80 points. And so I'm good with micros. I tend to, you know, get into the move and sit in the position for hours. The record time which we were sitting in a trade on stream was 6 hours, I know, from last year. But usually I can take a trade and, you know, be in that trade for an hour or 2 hours, no problem. So that's how I do. Obviously, if someone is trading minis, that's cool too, and absolutely great. I would be trading minis mostly when I scalp. So, like, going for a few points and then I trade 1 or 2 mini. Or if I go full tilt, then I go 7 minis. You know, why not? Well, I didn't necessarily had to buy a car, but yesterday I was tired, and yeah, definitely bigger risk. You trade mini 6, then there you go. So some traders do minis, which is cool. You have to keep a tight risk with minis. You have to watch out what you're doing, because, for example, on a 50K funded account, you can wipe out your whole account in a few seconds if you're, especially on New York NQ, if you're not watching, or if you're not. No, why I can't speak English today. I'm sorry. English is not my native language, but if some of you guys are new, but what I meant to say is in a New York session when there is more than enough volume, well, you can wipe out your whole account with just a few minis, 1 or 2, very quickly. Quick in and out, yeah, exactly. So that's why I'm saying. So everybody has a different personality in trading, everything. So if that works for you, that you have to stick with that. You have to definitely stick with that and follow that way. You know. I never used stop loss, but yesterday you did. Well, yesterday was crazy. Easy come, easy go, but if you know what you're doing, then, you know, if you know what you're doing, then obviously it can print you good money. I would say that if you really know how to enter, when to enter, what you're looking for, then you can make some quick money with scalping with minis. I'm a slow trader. I'm a turtle trader. I go for like $100-300 on a funded account, and I'm not copy trading them. Sometimes I do, but not all of them. Like I copy trade 2 funded accounts maybe or something. But if I make $200 or $300 on a funded account, on a 50K funded account, I just move to the next one. So I'm not going to force it anymore on that same particular account. I just move to the next one. Trying to, you know, mentally reduce the risk as much as possible. About starting out for the first time in day trading. Oh man, well, for the first time, well, tough question. But first of all, I mean, depending, a lot of things are depending on your personality, on your risk tolerance. But I would say, I know many of you guys would say that's not really a good advice, but I would say buy a cheap evaluation account and not a demo account. If you try to trade on a demo account, you will have absolutely zero pressure, and you need to feel a little bit of pressure. So I'm not saying to buy like a super expensive funded account, instant funded, or expensive evaluation account. First of all, start with a cheap eval and then try to execute trades on the smallest risk. So it's going to sound crazy, but go with 1 micro and 2 micros. That's it, 1 or 2 micros. And the first goal, if you're starting out, is not to pass the funded account. Forget about it. Forget about it. Don't even think about it, passing the account. The first goal is to keep the account for 30 days. Or at least 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Just keep it. If you trade every day with 1 or 2 micros, and if you can keep the account for a month or longer, that would be the first step if you're brand new. You know, if you can do that, that's awesome. So when sometimes there's a big sale, like Bulenox, Apex, whatever, those cheap accounts, like 30 bucks or 20 something, I don't know. I think most of the people can afford that. Oops. So this was the scalp trade. Can afford that. Then that's what you should go with. And just feel a little bit of a skin in the game. That's it. That's what I would do. Yeah, if I make 200 on a PA in a week, I end it there. There you go. Exactly, with no fear. Why do I would have SMT on the highs? Yeah, exactly. Giveaway. Jess, there's no giveaway yet. No giveaway yet, Jess. But there will be. I forgot to put on the link. I'm going to put it on because I'm waiting for an answer, because this giveaway is going to be sponsored by Take Profit Trader, most likely. And actually, there's going to be 2 accounts. The prize is going to be, I think, 2 Take Profit Trader accounts. And there's going to be maybe a cash prize as well from me. But I'm still waiting for an answer before I can put out the link for the next giveaway. But hopefully today I will have something. Yeah, no wonder why. I bought the cheapest Take Profit Trader account for 70 last week, and I withdrew 5K already. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Congratulations, Diazazinga. Hey there. You got me through filling this section. Claim of tax, treaty benefits for Chapter 3 purposes. Whew. Well, I don't have that PDF document here with me, but you know, you just, if you're not a citizen of the United States, you just click on that you're not a citizen of the US, and the only thing you have to add is your tax identification number as it is set in your country, or as it written in your country. There's a field there that you can put it in, but I don't have it. I can't find it now. I'm sorry. I have so many things opened up. I have to find it somewhere in the documents. And I don't want to share it my own on screen, but I do know that if you're not a US citizen, it's just super simple. Just click on that non-US citizen. But there's no tax benefits, so you're not claiming. So you're not claiming any tax benefits from this income. So I would say, don't worry about it. Okay, so what's it gonna be, NQ? Is this gonna sweep the Asia low, or are we going to go up? I guess we might have to wait for London Open again, right? There was a nice drop at 140 on the 5 minutes, so I don't know if it wants to retest that level, or does it want to sweep these Asia lows? Actually, I would like to see this go down for the Asia lows. Sweep the Asia, exactly. Yes, I trade Walter. I trade New York session too. I mostly come to YouTube around. Well, I go live around 9:30. Before 9:30, a few minutes before 9:30, stock exchange open. So yeah. I do. Yeah, we were talking about that, by the way. It would be fun to do like, you know, a little bit like a community trading or something. You know, that would be actually awesome. So if you guys are up to it, I would be glad to do it. That would be great, I think. If you guys are interested, you know, you can do some voice chatting, you know. I think that would be fun, in my opinion. That would be great. So on the mini, it's not equal lows, but on the micro, it's equal lows. So I'm just curious. Hit the like. Fresh Delgado. Anyone who is interested, we can have multiple people. Discord or Zoom, something, I don't know. We can do something, yeah. That would be awesome, I think. So what's this doing? We have the new 30-minute, 15-minute, 5-minute candle. What's it gonna be, NQ? What's it gonna be? Almost went down again. Could be just one of those days when, you know, I think it was on Monday or I don't even know, started to go down and got rejected. Definitely awesome, guys. That would be awesome. Okay. No Diddy. Oh, everybody should be a guest. Share some stuff in broke English. Well, how should I put this in broke English? We should go down. If not, yes. So, if it's not going down, I would like to see a shift above the 90s somewhere and maybe break these supply areas. But interesting level here on the micro, definitely. Especially because it's like Asia low. You speak, that's awesome. You speak about yourself. Okay, you can speak about yourself. No, yeah, absolutely. Actually, we can share some information. Whoa, Dom, welcome. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. So yeah, we could share some information, you know, share some life experience, you know, about trading, you know, how you got there, what's your experience, what was your struggles, what were your struggles, what, you know, these kind of stuff. I think it could be good information to the others, you know, to everybody. You speak about your broken English. Whoa! Oh my god. A giveaway. Oh.
Let's do a giveaway. No Diddy, pig. Good luck.
All right. Fresh Delgado, Jesus holy baby Christ. Fresh Delgado just stepped in out of nowhere like Clint Eastwood, like, huh, let's do a giveaway. And just like that, what can I say to that? We're gonna do a giveaway. We are going to do a giveaway then. Courtesy of Fresh Delgado. Man, you are a real gentleman. Real gentleman indeed. You are a real gentleman indeed. Just a second here. Let me set it up. What can I say? Thank you in the name of the community. And look at that. I think the market makers heard the giveaway because Asia low has just been swept. A giveaway. Giveaway. I have to set it up because I messed up the settings last time. Okay, now I would be looking for long positions after this. Let me set this up. Okay. Confirm. Confirm. Okay, the giveaway has started! Exclamation mark cash by Fresh Delgado. That's it. Is the stream stopped? Okay, there you go. Exclamation mark cash. Yeah, the narration said big. Yeah, that was funny. All right. We're gonna pick the winner somewhere around the London Open. All right. Thank you, Fresh Delgado. Real awesome gentleman. In the name of the community. That was awesome. That was awesome. Such a gentleman, you know. Stepping in the stream, just like Reza Banks also. And Fresh Delgado just throws in that 50 baller and then, you know, down to the new day opening gap area. So I would be looking for a possible shift. Fruits of trading. Love the skill. That's the best. It's all right, Fresh Delgado. You don't have to throw anything else. It's fine. It's more than I mean, it's great. Price is at the 125 January 24 new week opening gap. So today, okay, I think it would be good place for price to find support as well. Yeah, it could be a good area. Exactly, Glenn. I totally agree. I think this would be a nice area for support. The problem, and actually it's not a big deal, it's not a big problem. If you look back to yesterday after 6 p.m., so basically pre-Asia session, but look at this candle on the 5-minute. And these are the zones that I'm always looking at. Oh, I have to check. Okay, so these are the zones that I'm looking at all the time. This bearish candle at 625 pushed down, got rejected here from the mid level of this fair value gap. Bullish push, very strong, and this here shifted structure right here. Bullish market structure shift happened right there. So, you know, guys and gals, ladies and gents, this is what I love. This is my favorite zone when I see this. To me, this indicates that there is, or, well, it should be, where is it? Come on. Liquidity down below there. Just below that candle. So if you go to the right, you see that we are not too far from breaking that level. So right there, that level. So obviously we can, I think we can still drop lower. This is a tricky one. So until I don't see a proper displacement to the upside, which means at least some kind of a structure has been shifted on the 1 minute with the up close candle with the fair value gap, I would say that right there, that could be a target. So that's what I think. But I'm still going to wait. I'm still going to actually, let me mark up the low of that zone right there. So that would be 845, and you know, it's just picking up liquidity right here in this fair value gap. What if it wants to take that out? We have to, I mean, I'm gonna wait. That's why I'm gonna wait. One of the reasons. So Beanie Player, hello there. Welcome. Enter the giveaway, exclamation mark hash. Sponsored by Fresh Delgado. In the flesh. So hey Slade, good to see you. Lost the funded yesterday. Oh. Whoa, it's Nash. Hey Kid Nash, what's up? Good to see you guys. Beanie Player. I'm sorry to hear that, by the way. You know, it's really hard to face the same issues time to time. You know, everybody steps into that kind of BS, you know, losing a funded account here and there. We have to learn from it. And I'm sure, you know, until you're not giving up, because you can't, there is no option B, everybody. No option B. And Beanie Player, this is exclusively for you right now. So no option B. You continue. You go back. Don't worry about it, Beanie Player. Everybody gets rusty. Everybody gets rusty. You just have to look back what you did wrong. 100% sure it was not the market. It was only risk management. And next time you will know what to do. That's it. Was in a coma, just got back. Oh, trading. Nothing special. We took out Asia low. I was scalping it, and then it took me out. But now it actually swept the Asia low. We are in the new day opening gap, and we have a 5-minute demand zone or bullish order block with the low of 845. I'm thinking that it might want to go down and sweep that area down there. Obviously, I'm not going to jump in. I'm just gonna wait. I am just gonna wait. Never give up. There you go. There you go. Okay then. Okay then. There's no problem. No problem, Beanie Player. It, you know, after 2 months, losing a funded account, super easy. I mean, it's a little bit of funny, I know, but really, it's okay. Everybody gets rusty, even after weeks. So don't worry about it. You didn't adjust it yourself. It happens, you know, new year for you right now. So it's all right. It's all right. 860, but the market reversed. What? 860? The market reversed at 60.25. What? Jesus. That's where you had your TP. I could be telling you many stories how many times this happened to me. You know, reversing just one tick, or even going to the tick and it didn't take me out. It went to the tick to the price and then just reversed without taking me out. But I think it should go lower. I think it should go. Happens a lot more than it should. Yeah. You're still holding it. Yeah. I think you're good. I think you're good. This should be at least spiking below the 60s. I think there's a good chance, at least, you know, to test the new day opening gap low, which is at 59. So I think you're good. There you go. There you go. You know, the market makers are watching the stream. I'm telling you guys. The market maker said, I just received a message from the market makers. Oh, yeah. They're saying, was that Tudor guy? Yeah, it was. Okay. It worked. Hey, $35 Tudor. $35 in my country. Unfortunately, a lot of people working more than a whole day for $35. Oh, way more, yeah. Unfortunately. So that's a good money, you know. They are always calling me. On paper trading. Get out of here. We're banning him. Virtual box. Oh, no problem. Hey, no, no problem. That's still good because you feel the experience a little bit. All right. All right. The following names are going to be banned for paper trading. Tudor C. All right. Should be one down the list. Other one. Ollie 415. Okay. Done. No, don't worry. I'm not. Well, I did a drive-by a few months ago, I remember. I did a drive-by. I'm not proud of it. What are these papers? I have a lot of papers here suddenly. All right. Good morning, Raphael. Can you guess the movie? Either you die a hero or live long enough to see yourself become a villain. Oh my god. Oh my god. I know this. Oh my god, I know this. I know this. I know this. Oh man. Raphael, you just ruined my whole London session. I know this. Ah, it's one of my favorites. I know this. I know. Either you die a hero or live long enough to see yourself become the villain. It's not from Batman, is it? Man. I'm gonna think about that, Raphael. The average income in my country is about $800 per month. Venom, hey there. Also need a ban for Michael also needs to be banned for paper trading. Apex denied you today. Oh. Yeah, Lorenzo, I'm sorry about that. I got denied at Apex too, so because I went over that 30%. Now, risk management as usual. Yeah. Paper trading millionaire. Raphael, you have to do something about this. Ah. Man. What's the movie? What's the movie, man? I think it's from Batman. I just don't know who said it. I think it's Christian Bale, Bruce Wayne said it, but I don't think so. I think it's Harvey Dent. Harvey Dent was saying it. I think. I'm sure it's from Batman. I think Harvey Dent was saying it when he was talking to. They were sitting in a restaurant. I think. Yes, I think. Yeah, and it was Harvey Dent. That's Harvey Dent. Yeah, from The Dark Knight. I think it had to be. So, Camille, hey, am I your secret lover? And why are you telling everybody? Anyway. Oh, Tudor is treating I can't speak. Treating paper money like real money. It is Batman. Okay. So it was Harvey Dent, right? It was Harvey Dent in The Dark Knight, I think. How many times did I enter since you started streaming? Jesus, by the way, yes, Camille entered like 1,000 times. Harvey Dent said that. Oh, yeah. Harvey Dent. Okay. Correct. I think the actor is Aaron Eckhart. I'm not sure. I think that's the actor. I think he's a good actor. He's an excellent actor, by the way. And yeah. Batman. Yeah. That's a nice line. And by the way, I think I mean, I do love superhero movies and everything. And my all-time favorite, because when I was a kid, in the bottom of my heart, it's always going to be Michael Keaton for me. The Batman is always going to be Michael Keaton. But I have to say that Christian Bale's Bruce Wayne or Batman was the real deal. I think there's just nobody better in that character and in the whole universe what they did in The Dark Knight and the Batman Begins and the trilogy. You know, that whole universe is just perfectly nailed it. And so I think Christian Bale is absolutely on the top. Ben Affleck, not so much. I'm sorry to say, for the Ben Affleck fans out there, no. I'm sorry, but no. But still. Anyway, bottom of my heart, Michael Keaton. From your wife. Which one you think is better, Top Step or Take Profit? Take Profit. That's it. Easy. Super easy. Super easy. Especially now that Top Step has changed their rules about the trading style and everything. You guys might have seen it circulating on Twitter and everywhere. They're changing their terms of use on their system. Basically, you know, telling people to not to trade only for payouts, but use a strategy that you always trade with. But that's a long story. But not because Top Step is bad. Top Step is absolutely awesome. But the platform Project X, or not Project X, they use Top Step X, which is basically the same, has some slippage issues, but that's not the point. The micro to mini scaling is only on Top Step X, and I don't want to trade Top Step X. The micro to mini scaling is not available on the other platforms. I mean, properly. So you start with 2 micros on the funded account. That's one. The other thing is the payout policy. I don't like it. The $200 per day, 5 times, all the time restarts. You know, I don't really like it. Once you get to a live account, and now payouts are capped. So if you get, I don't even know how many payouts, like $5,000 times 3, or I don't even know. They are moving you to a live account, and they are forbidding you to trade on XFA accounts. So even if you have 5 XFA accounts in profit, they're gonna put all the profits together on a live account, and you can just boom, lose it like that. Anyway, interesting changes slowly going on. Obviously they are business, so profit oriented heavily, just like the other prop firms. But Take Profit Trader, as of now, maybe tomorrow it will change, but as of now, no super specific rules like that. No daily loss limit. You can pretty much do what you want. No consistency rule on the funded account. They also have a live account, path to live account. But anyway, I like Take Profit Trader better. That's it. Standard deviations, no, I don't use that. Nothing wrong. I know many people are using standard deviations. I just don't really use it. Hold on, quick phone call here. So I know many people are using standard deviations. I don't. By the way, we just took out the bullish order block and the supply area that we talked about. Maybe I should have jumped in, but the best joker. I want to say Jack Nicholson was awesome, and Jack Nicholson is a great actor. And I do loved him in the Batman '89. I would say Heath Ledger. Best of all, Heath Ledger. And really, I mean, he was so much into character. Hats off, the best Heath Ledger is the best Joker, I think. No question. Jack Nicholson is a different kind of Joker, you know. Still at the 80s, you know, different situation, different universe, a little bit anyway. But Heath Ledger, yes, absolutely the best Joker. I don't know. Ben Affleck is cool, you know. He has some cool stuff, but I don't think he was the best choice for Batman, to be honest. But anyway. Oh, well, it's no problem, Ollie. I mean, it's fine. You can still. There's nothing major wrong with Top Step. They are absolutely great. You know, they are just starting to revise their terms of rules a little bit. By the way, we're gonna pick the winner in a few minutes. Okay, in a few minutes we're gonna pick the winner. Exclamation mark cash. If you did not enter the giveaway, let me see how many people entered. 43 people entered. Participants. So exclamation mark cash. We're gonna pick the winner in a few minutes. 2 or 3 minutes, whatever. Let's wait for the London Open and see what's going on. And then we're gonna pick the winner. Nice call on liquid. Yeah, it was. I think this was the liquidity low here, and so from this, I'm gonna be looking for long positions. I feel a little bit of FOMO, but this was a low probability short. If I would have jumped in here, this would have been a low probability because it's not mandatory for it to be broken. It's just a secondary target, especially in London session, to break this. So now I'm going to be looking for long positions for sure. And up there we have some good targets, excellent targets, I must say. We have supply areas up there. We have supply up there. I would say this is also a supply area, but it's a minor one. It's not such a beautiful one at 880. I would be going with the midnight level then. So this is a proper supply zone. And this one too. So I'm going to be looking for long positions from now on. Bank is calling. No, it wasn't the bank. It wasn't the bank. Yeah. The giveaway. Well, we're gonna be doing it. We have the London Open right now. We're gonna wait 2 minutes maximum, and we're gonna pick the winner, Camille. So in about 2 minutes. So it's gonna be like 3:02. Okay. In 1 minute and 45 seconds, we're gonna pick the winner. Yeah. You hold it. You hold it. Reversal, yeah. Thank you. you just need to hold it. Okay, we're gonna pick the winner in 1 minute and 20 seconds. Exclamation mark cash. I'm going to be covering the chat, so I'm not going to be reopening the entries. If you want to enter, you have 1 minute to enter. Last minute to enter the giveaway. Sponsored by Fresh Delgado. All right. All right. Now we're closing the entries. We are closing the entries in 3, 2, 1. All right. Closing the entries, covering the chat. I don't see anything now. And we are starting to pick that winner. So the winner of the $50 cash giveaway, sponsored by Fresh Delgado, is no other than the one, the only, the one we love, the one who we cherish. Best trader in the chat is no other than no way, dude. Trades by Slade. OMG, a celebrity. A celebrity. We have a celebrity winning. Congratulations, Slade. Congratulations. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Yeah, Camille, you can go now. Congratulations. Nice, nice. Good job there. Good job. Let's go. Slade, that is awesome. Congratulations. Let's see. I'm not sure if I think we had DMs. I'm not sure on Twitter. But if not, you can send me an email. Here's my email. Or a DM on Twitter, whatever you like. And I hope you have a PayPal. That would be awesome. And I can send you with PayPal. How about that? That would be great for me. But if you prefer something else, we'll figure it out. PayPal would be the best for me. Congratulations, Slade. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Game over. We lost Camille. We lost Camille. What to do now? Oh man, that is awesome. Well, thank you, Fresh Delgado, for sponsoring this. This was a nice little start here. Let's go. So, is it gonna shift or not? Is this gonna shift? Let's go, Fresh Delgado. So on the 5 minute, there is no structure that I like. Maybe on the 1 minute, but I still need the proper displacement. Until then, this is just going a little bit sideways here, I guess. Awesome. I just received the mail. Thank you, Slade. I'll keep this rolling right away. Let me just log into my PayPal. Okay. Okay. Let me just get this going. Okay. Almost ready. And it should be on its way. Just waiting for the confirmation here. Okay. It should be done. It's done. It is done. Let's go. Let's go. So, yeah, we're going a little bit sideways here. No surprise. No surprise. So, Camille, I thought I'm your daddy. What happened, Camille? Are you cheating on me? What's going on? Come on. How far can this go lower? Yokozuna, hey there. What's going on? What's going on? I don't see any other. Well, there is one more, to be honest, one more demand zone down there, but it's a little bit down here. 786. I don't know if we're gonna go down to that. All right. But hey, let's keep this on private, you know. You know, people don't need to know this information. Should be going 755. Maybe. I don't know. Look at that. Does it really want to go down to 786? The 5-minute looks like it wants to go. This one almost like created a bearish flag thing or something. Are we really going down? Dom, hey, sure. I only take Profiteer and I use TradeAway on TradingView. The question is, do I still need to pay the subscription for TradingView? You not necessarily have to subscribe to TradingView. Yeah, so you don't need to subscribe to TradingView, but there is one thing. Many people don't really see this, but if you have absolutely no subscription for TradingView, that is still okay. I was trading like that. But even if you get the login credentials for the data through TradeAway, so you can log in and you will have the data, right? It's gonna be delayed with 3 seconds. 3 seconds delay. Check it out. Try to open a platform or open up the TradeAway platform and open up TradingView. There's gonna be like a 3-second delay with no subscription on TradingView. So you can log in. You will see the quote-unquote fresh data, but the candles are gonna be printing 3 seconds late. That's how TradingView wants everybody to have at least an essential subscription. I think that's the basic or basic subscription. I don't know what's it called. I have the basic or essential subscription, and I pay for the data as well because I don't use TradeAway nowadays. But keep that in mind, okay? So I think there's a 3-second delay. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this is what I observed last year. So yeah, that's it. Too late now. Too late now. 756. Yeah, I think it can go 750. Yeah, 56-ish. The zone starts at 86, 87. I don't want to jump in right now. Maybe I should. I don't think I want to chase it. No problem. Yeah, so yeah, the monthly fee for TradingView, the basic subscription, that's what I pay too, is like how much? I don't even know how much I pay. I really have to check on how much I have to check how much I pay here. Account and billing. Let me check it. Profile. Where do I see my subscription? Oh yeah, essential. I have the essential package. And I pay for the I have $19, 19 euros. Sorry, 19 euros because I pay monthly. I have to change that for annually. I pay 19 euros for the essential. If you pay the whole year, it's going to be much cheaper. And I pay €8.89 for the CME data. So overall, that's it. That's what I pay. Yeah. That's what you got? Well, if you have the essential package, then it's fine. Then it's great because no, it's real-time data. It's real-time. I mean, the 19 euros The essential package doesn't have the CME data, so I pay an additional €8 for the CME data. But Dom, if you have the essential package and you log in with your TradeAway credentials, you're good. You're absolutely fine. You're absolutely good. Then the candles should be up to date every second, most likely. So that's fine. Exactly, Tudor. So I mean, no. What you're saying is the execution is still horrendous. So the problem is, even if you subscribe to TradingView, the problem is they're having a bridge, so they don't have their own server, and because of that, for example, if you're scalping, it doesn't matter if you're swing trading or you go in with a limit order. So if you have limit orders or stop orders, and or you're just swing trading, it doesn't matter. But if you're scalping and you're going in with market orders, then TradingView is lagging like half a second behind. And that half second, especially in Europe when the market moves fast, it can cost you points, not just ticks. So I would say TradingView is not good for scalping. So do not use it. Look at this, man. We're going down. Damn, I'm feeling the FOMO. Half price off. Usually, yeah. Thanksgiving is also good. Yeah. There used to be some sales on TradingView. Yeah, nothing wrong with TradingView. The big picture, it's personal preference, you know, Tudor. It's personal preference. If you got used to it, then stay with it. Absolutely. I'm just saying that I think for scalping, it might not be ideal if you're scalping for a few points, especially in New York. I don't know. It may be me, but there other people were saying that yes, they also see this lag in execution on the market orders. Personal preference. That's it. It's up to you. Up to you. Do I still need to keep CME? Well, you not necessarily need to keep the CME. If you're confident that you're always going to use a TradeAway subscription on one of these prop firms which are supporting the TradingView connection, then you basically don't need to have a CME data package. As long as you're always having a prop firm subscribed with TradeAway, you don't necessarily need to have the CME subscription on TradingView. So you're fine without it. That's it. I didn't. I mean, I tried it. Sorry, I tried it. I tried to trade on TradeAway last year. I tried to use it mostly for scalping, though, and I did experience some lag in execution on scalping. Jesus, I can't speak English today. All right. As a Hungarian, it's hard to switch from Hungarian to English because the pronunciation of the words and everything is completely different. Oh, you trade on Ninja Trade. I mean, it's up to you, Dom. So it's up to you. It's up to you. Personal preference, I would say, and anything. I mean, I'm nothing wrong against TradingView. And by the way, for charting, I think is the best platform out there. Quantower is great for charting too, and for trading. I love Quantower, by the way, but there is nothing better than TradingView for charting. I think it's just super excellent, super smooth, absolutely user friendly. So no, I have Quantower. Sorry, Dom. I have Quantower. Which is free. You can download Quantower for free. You can use it for free. But if you're connecting to multiple prop firms, and I use Rhythmic connection, not TradeAway, so you can only go if you have a TradeAway subscription, you cannot connect with Quantower. You have to use CQG or Rhythmic, or I don't even know what. There's something else too, I guess. but TradeAway uses a different data feed. But I'm using Quantower. So when I choose an account, I always go with Rhythmic or CQG or DX feed, sorry. So that's what I choose. Most prop firms offer one of these. Hold on. Hello. Hello, nem, itt vagyok. All right, I'll be right back. I have to check something. I'll be right back in 2 minutes. Don't go away. I'm here. Okay, so we went down to that other zone. I wonder if we're gonna break the 755. Let's see. Leave us alone. Yeah. I think it can break the 755 down there. You know, that would be the low end of this demand zone if it really wants to break it. Up 63 points. Let's go. I didn't have an entry. I wish I mean, you know, at this point, man, I should have seen this. I know. I should have seen this. Should have seen this, but I didn't. Nice little flag here. Went lower. Yeah. It can still go lower, by the way. It can still. You know, break the 755. Why not? Maybe just one evaluation account I try it. I'm not sure. Should I try it with an eval? Maybe just one evaluation account. I don't know. I don't know. 755. Now maybe it goes down to the 60s. Okay, I jumped into a short. Only on an evaluation account. I'm not touching the funded account here. I'm looking for this one to break down below the 60s. Took the trade on a MyFundedFutures account. Here it is. And that's it. If it gets down below the 60s, you know, do not do this on a funded account. Super risky. So hit that sub button. Hey, Nick's Trades, what up? Oh, by the way, we are at 3,900 subs. Thank you so much, everybody. Huge applause. 100 to go to 4K. $100 subs to go to 4K. That is awesome. And now, 3,901. Somebody just subscribed. Welcome. Thank you for joining. It's so cold here, by the way. The weather is very trash outside. Trashy. Let's go. Let's go. As I dress to go to snowplow. Wow. So you have snow there. Awesome, awesome. Tried to bounce the dip, but kept dipping. Yeah, it just keeps on going. As I said, the low of this zone is at 55. That's why I took this trade to see if it wants to break that demand zone. I'm just taking an early profit above 60 if I can. So let's see. Let's see. Artie, good morning. Actually, I had the short earlier on Eval, but I got stopped. I was trying to scalp the Asia low, and now I'm just chasing it a little bit down. But it was good so far. I mean, yeah, all is good. Good to see you. Good to see you, Artie. Karsten, hey, you too. Such a nice thing. Karsten always comes in and wishes everybody an awesome day. No, well, currently this is a short, but only on an evaluation account. I'm looking for a demand zone to be broken, or bullish order block, whatever you want to call it. If you look on the 5-minute chart to the left, there is a nice bullish order block or demand zone. The low is at 55 ish. So trying to take an early profit at 60.75. Yes, Artie, I use ICT stuff, but I'm not a cult member, so I'm not praying for ICT or anything like that, and I'm not sending him letters or whatever. But I did learn a lot from his videos. I don't care about the rest of his personal stuff, and his lectures are, I think, are out of those 4 hours of lectures. I know 3 hours is about him, but that 1 hour is very useful when he talks about the market. So now, and I'm using also supply demand zones. I would say supply and demand is basically order blocks. That's it. So supply and demand, I know Michael Huddleston, aka ICT, would be laughing his ass off, but order blocks are basically supply and demand zones, and that's it. But that's what I'm trying to utilize with the fair value gap theory or gap theory. Supply demand zones, yeah, basically that's what I'm looking at. Yeah, it's snowing in northern Germany. Wow. 840s again. Are we drop? I think we can go up there, but it seems like it might want to sweep lower. I don't know, but I guess we can go down there. Das ist schade. Ich halte gar nichts von diesen Sachen. I can't read that. I don't think much of these things at all. Turns out it was all hoax. Yeah, so Artie, I must say that at the first time, so full honesty here, at the first time in 2021, I mean, I heard about ICT in 2020. And in 2021, late 21, early 22, I started to read a little bit more about his stuff. And as I started to progress with FTMO, as I started there and in the prop firm space, I also became a little bit deeper believer that, oh my God, this stuff is really, really, really something. And I think it definitely, I mean, I didn't find anyone else out there in the social media anywhere to put on so many educational stuff. So that's why I stick with ICT. Now, over time, I realized as time went by that some, not all, but some of his concepts are basically old concepts, which has been rebranded or repackaged, including the order blocks, the gap theory, maybe not all of it, but so I started to realize the cracks there, here and there, like, okay, this is a thing explained differently. And I started to gather information from other places. And then I started to realize, I would not say the truth, but and it's not disrespect or anything against ICT, but I'm sure that if not all, but like some of his stuff is repackaged. But the way he explained it, I really liked it. I like to listen to his lectures, his Twitter spaces. I enjoyed it. But when he claimed to go for the Robbins Cup and everything, that's a different thing. That's a different thing. It wasn't that beef he was having with some influencers. It wasn't really my thing to listen into and to follow up with that. So that's a different thing. But I must say that until this day, I did not find anyone else on YouTube or anywhere who has so many free educational stuff uploaded than him. That's the truth. So that's it. No, I still pay the monthly. I need to update that. I don't know if it's 50% off yet, Dom. I'm not sure. I'm still stuck on the monthly. Maybe I should upgrade it. I just forgot to change it. Yeah, that's true, Tudor. Yeah, that's also a way to look at it. So he definitely inspired many people. And yes, Tudor 100, that's spot on. I have to agree with Tudor there. So I'm not sure if how many of those things are a hoax, or so I'm trying to be diplomatic here and stay in the middle, but he definitely inspired many people, including myself, by the way. He inspired me, some of his lectures. I told this to many of you, know the story already. In 2023, I was in hospital for weeks, and I was having surgery, and anyway, and I was laying in the bed for days and days, and I was listening to his Twitter spaces. Like one space is like 4 hours long, and guess what? I had the time to listen to those spaces. And I was taking also notes in the hospital, and I was listening, even middle of the night. You can't sleep in a hospital. It's impossible. So what I did, I was listening to ICT Twitter spaces. And obviously, a Twitter space was like 4 hours long. 3 hours of it was talking about himself and his family, which is also interesting, like real life things, how these things work. Well, this one is not going down. And it inspired me. I must say that I got some inspiration from those Twitter spaces, and I liked it. I really liked it. So that's why I picked up some of his stuff to my trading. And at the end of the day, by the way, whatever we do, whatever style we do trade, it can be trend line, it can be bull flags, bear flags, it can be support, resistance, supply, demand, whatever. At the end of the day, it just all comes down to risk management. So we can talk about all the fancy ICT words and stuff and all the fancy things, but at the end of the day, it's just risk management. Like literally, I think there are thousands of strategies to trade the markets, thousands, if more. And I think most of them are profitable. Most of them have an edge. But as I said, at the end, it all comes down to your risk management. That's it. It's all risk management at the end. And we can flash with all these ICT stuff like, oh, here's an order block, inversion, blah, blah, blah. Okay. But anyway. Years ago, that I have self backtested and saw the total bullshit. Yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah, market is definitely has the seasonal tendencies. Exactly, Artie. I agree with you. Yeah, I think with the Robbins Cup, he did a mistake. Yes, I agree with that. I think with the Robbins Cup, he made a mistake. He should not have taken that Robbins Cup. I mean, not the Robbins Cup itself, but he should not have taken the challenge. I think it was a little bit too much pressure. And I can imagine that, he's that kind of person who is very passionate about his lectures and his teachings. And I understand the passion. I really do understand the passion. But I think he put too much pressure on himself with that claim to win the Robbins Cup. And not just winning, but making 12,000% on the account. Like, that was like such a claim that it's like an impossible task almost. And, you know, anyway. Oliver Wallace, that I have started with his DVD in the 2000s. Wow. Oliver Wallace. Never heard of the name. Never heard of it. But so you're rocking this since the 2000s. That's nice, Artie. That's good. That's good. You're doing it since a while now. So what's it gonna do? There's no structure for now on the 5-minute. It's picking up liquidity. But is it going to take out that demand zone? That's a different question. He's also here on YouTube after. Oh, really? In the 90s? Wow. That is awesome. Fieldbird, I would be looking for longs, but the thing is, here on the 5-minute, we have a bullish order block here. This here, we have a bullish order block, which is also a demand zone right here. And it seems like price may want to break that. Not sure. But I'm a little bit confused now before taking a long position, especially on the 5-minute chart. So yes, we are looking. I would be looking for longs for sure because we have beautiful targets up there. But first, it might want to get down to the 755s. So that's why I don't know. A little bit confused. Little bit confused about this. Or even just trying to get below the 60s. You know, it's not far. You got lucky, marked out 64. Oh my god. You nailed it to the tick almost. Nice. The daily candles from 20 January look nasty. Oh yeah, yeah, I saw that. Yeah, I know what you're saying there. Yeah. The 56. Yeah, I'm curious, you know, if it gets below 60, then it should be breaking that 56 level. Yeah. Kind of curious myself. Yeah, so Camille, what I'm thinking at this area, I would be gladly taking long positions, but it would be much better if it would sweep below the 60s and 55 and then move higher. I would be much better with that scenario. So I'd like to see this go down below the 60s. Let's hold here and get back to Asia high. Yeah, it could go as well. The problem is there's no structure on the 5 minute right now. This 1 minute here, it's nothing. It's just going sideways. At this moment, right now, at this second, it looks like it wants to hit that 55 or at least get below 60. That is what I think is going to happen. I tried to scalp this on an eval and I'm holding myself back now. It seems like I was reading the levels good this morning, but look at that. NQ just, messing up with me right now. But anyway, it's still good. I'm glad I didn't take a trade on funded accounts this morning on the evaluation. Only evals. Not trading is trading. Exactly. Exactly. That's a perfect sentence there. Not trading is trading. Sitting on your hands is actually trading. You took a position. My position is, and I like the way actually, I heard this first time from ICT, and I really liked it. Not taking a position is a position, and the best thing is that it guarantees your capital. So you have a guarantee on your balance. You're not going to lose anything. That's the only position that guarantees an absolute no loss. And I like this. So I'm in a trade right now. As you see, I'm in a trade. And I like this trade very much. Yeah, maybe after 10. Less than 3 minutes to go. Maybe we will see something after the pre-market open. I would say the pre-market open should sweep this level. It should sweep that. So my Tradeify was in drawdown last week. I traded Eurostyle with 3 micros. Today I officially recovered my account and now I can move forward. Let's go, Ollie. Congratulations. That's a nice job there. Really, really nice job. That's how you do it. With no fear is a philosopher. Oh, Ollie, that's thank you for the compliment. That feels good. Thank you. I mean, I'm obviously I'm also just on the road on this journey to become, profitable. But it feels good. Thank you. Be able to sync the time frames together like that. The time frames together like that. What do you mean? Charles. I mean, I'm just switching in between the 5 and the 1. I'm using TradingView for charting. I do have my Quant Hour chart on as well. So here's the Quant Hour chart. If I put on something, but this is TradingView. Let's go up and up. Yeah, 45 seconds. Least estimator, the indicator. Oh, I'm such a stupid. I'm sorry. The indicator, sorry. This is power of 3. It's an indicator called power of 3. It's an indicator called power of 3. It's a free indicator from 2 degrees. So check it out. And if you double click on it, I always use the New York Midnight as the open price. Okay, you can choose different time frames, but I go with the New York Midnight. So power of 3. That's the indicator. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Look at that. Now it's sweeping. Could be sweeping. Oh, there you go. There you go. And it's swept. Officially taken out the bullish order block or demand zone. It has been officially taken out. Okay, looking for reversal now, really. There is one more zone here. Yeah, it's sometimes good to help. I mean, I'm not using it as an entry model or anything. It's just good to see when I look at it, where are we on the day? Are we super bearish? How much did we expand from the midnight level? How does the daily candle look like, particularly right now? So it helps me to anticipate a move, but that's it, And I don't even. Somebody on the chat showed me a few months ago this indicator, and I liked it so much. It helps me to really to anticipate the move, that I just left it here. So right now, if it turns around, it should be breaking that small area there. After sweeping this small supply zone or order block here, bearish. Yeah, it looks okay-ish. Yeah, I like it too. Hey, MB Trader, what's up? After passing the eval to PA by Traderify, what happened? What happens later? You pay the activation fee, and that's it. When I passed it, I had to pay activation fee because it was before, and I think I went with the cheaper account. But the thing is, right now I blown my funded account. Not now, a few weeks ago with Traderify. Currently, I have nothing with Traderify. That doesn't mean they are bad or anything. I just the issue is that I trade on Quantower. If there would be some kind of a data connection I could use with Traderify, I would gladly use it in my Quantower. But as I had to log into, actually I messed up quite many stuff on my funded account because I wasn't really used to TraderWeight, and I started to mess up the trade, and that got me into a bad mood. And I tried, but I just blow up the account, and I will try again most likely because Traderify is good. They are excellent, but unfortunately they don't have that kind of connection that I can use with Quantower. So yeah, I just you have a growth account. Well, they should be emailing you or activating you the account. Is there an activation fee on which account is that? The advanced or the growth? I think on the growth account there is no activation fee. So tomorrow they should be, or if you passed yesterday, you should be having an email sometime today, or if not, then tomorrow. You know. Instead of 1 minute 41. That's a good strategy, Fieldbird. That's a good strategy. 100 and 200 there. What the Forex is here from Cyprus. Hey, welcome back. Good to see you. Well, we were observing this drop down to break these order blocks. Jamal, hey. Why do you use New York Midnight? Technically, futures daily candle. Yes, it's because smart money concepts, basically, Jamal. So we can say ICT, but without ICT, still I was reading the same. So smart money uses the true daily open. The true daily open, as they say it sometimes, is the New York Eastern Standard midnight level, basically. If you go with smart money concepts, that's it. I'm not like as I said, I'm not a cult member or crazy about it, but I did see over the last year and before. So in the past few years, or since I'm trading, especially with futures, I tend to see that this level, the New York midnight level, is definitely an important level. So that's why I'm also using that. Yeah, no problem, MB Trader. Let's go, Ollie. Swept the lows, look at that. And now it wants to go. Yeah, no problem, Jamal. No problem. And so that's why I'm using it. As they say in Smartman, like the true daily open is New York Eastern Standard midnight. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? What is the name of the indicator that gives? Yeah, the previous. Oh, that there's no indicator. I put it there manually. So what I do is I have some templates. So what I do, I put it there manually. For example, I find the midnight here. I find the previous day midnight, which was here, and I just put a line there, like here, previous day high. There you go. And here, previous day low. That's it. I just have it on a template on TradingView. So I do this every morning. I know it sounds stupid, but I'm a dinosaur. So I just put it here manually every morning before the stream. This is part of my routine, you know, the routine. I just put it there and that's it. You have it. That's what I do every day. Every day. I draw all these lines manually. Actually, I have to delete some lines now because obviously we are finished with these levels. Let me get these off. Okay, I'm gonna leave the bottom there at 755. There's a small supply zone there. What up? What up? Use McBoots. First time, yeah. I saw you on 0 Day J stream. And you know what I said, Newsbook Boots? I said, wow, this guy has even a cooler name than Clint Eastwood, you know? And, you know, like Clint Eastwood is Clint Eastwood, but hey, Newsbook Boots? That is awesome. Oh, nice, nice. Welcome to the channel. Oh, that's what you use for higher time frame candles. I see, yeah. That's an important routine. For me, it is. And I do it every day before the stream. I sit down, okay, let's see the daily levels. Let's see the high, the lows, where's midnight. You know, it's like a compass, basically. I think that's the closest word I have for it. It's like a compass for me. When I sit down to the computer, I pull down the lines and okay, let's focus. These are the levels. Okay, let's start from here. Where are we? You know, and I do this every morning. And when there's a new morning, what I do, I sit down, I still have my previous day levels, and I just, you know, right click and remove indicator drawings. Boom. So I clean everything off the chart and start with a fresh chart every morning and put on everything for a fresh start of the day. Everybody, I just want to say something real quick. I think I'm going to end the stream a little bit early today in the London session because I am going to pick up my new car. And I have to get some stuff ready. Oh, by the way, it's a secret, everyone. Hey, it's a secret, guys. Imagine my girlfriend or fiance, she doesn't even know I bought the car. I'm crazy, right? I'm crazy. I know I am. She doesn't know I bought the car. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick the car. I'm going to put it down to the garage. And I'm going to pretend like nothing happened. Like, I'm just going to sit here, you know, when she gets home. Like, yeah, what's up? Oh, you know, nothing, you know. Everything is fine, you know. Oh, yeah. And I know that later she's going to say, oh, yeah, you know, we should go out to get some groceries. And, you know, I will say like, yeah, sure, let's go. All right, you know, let's go. And we'll walk down to the garage and lights on. And you know what? I'm going to sleep on the couch. I think I'm going to sleep on the couch, especially when she sees what kind of car. Oh my God. Oh. Guys, if you don't see me tomorrow in the London session, I'm going to be back in New York. Don't worry. In New York, today in New York, we're still fine. Tomorrow, if you don't see me in the London session, you know why. You know what happened. You know, if you don't see me tomorrow in the London session. Yeah. But yeah, it's just to be safe here, and I'm just telling you guys, this is not actually a new car. It's I told you it's older than 10 years. It has an automatic transmission. It's $5,500. It cost me $5,500. So I'm selling my Mazda for $1,000. I just received the $1,500 Bulenox payout, and I saved up a little bit of money. So I'm buying a car which is not going to be a Flintstone car, you know, because my Mazda is having holes on it everywhere. So anyway, it was rusting away. I needed to buy a car. I was actually forced to buy a car because the Mazda is not going to go through the next inspection, which is coming nearly. So it's not going to get the inspection papers. So there is someone who still wants to buy it in this condition, and I'm selling it, and I'm actually forced to buy another car. So it's not a new one. But when you guys see the car, I told you guys, you're going to do this. The facepalm effect is going to be on everybody. Facepalm, like, Tom, what did you do? What did you do, man? That's what you guys are going to say when you see the car. But I don't care. I don't care. Yeah, I know. You're going to see it. I'm going to make a video today about the car, and I'm going to do some simple video editing for you guys. And yeah. She's not watching. She's not watching the stream. Pink, yeah, maybe paint the car. Yeah, I'm gonna, guys. I think it's gonna be a huge. I took a huge risk. A huge risk. I think one of the biggest risks I took by buying this car, only based on my own decision. It was a huge risk. Although she knows that I had to get rid of the Mazda because it's just fading away by the rust. So I had to. There's no other way. I had to sell it. But she's gonna kill me, I think. Anyone knows a place where I can crash crash? Sorry, where I can crash, where I get booted out from my apartment? You know, let me know, because that's what's gonna happen. No, that's what's gonna happen. Thank you so much. It's a cheap car, basically, another cheap car. But when you will see it, you're gonna have the facepalm effect, and you're gonna say, "Why? What did you do?" So basically, this is what you're gonna say. What did you do? When you see the car. Dario says it's a BMW. I didn't say it's a BMW. In your garage. The color is gray. It's a gray color. No, you're gonna see a video about it. Why not, you know, pump up the channel with a little bit of, you know, day trader buys a new car, and that it's not a Lambo. Day trader buys a new car from payout. It's not a Lambo. That's I'm dead, basically. BMW 1 Series, no way. No way. I mean, it's a great car. I love it. But it's not my style. So, no. It's gonna be a secret. But I'm dead. So when she sees the car, I'm gonna be booted out from the apartment. Oh my god. And when I show the car to my mechanic friend, who he has a very good workshop here, not far. When he sees the car, I think he's not gonna be so. What he's gonna say, Tom, you're not my client anymore. Please find somebody else to fix this car. So, you're not my client anymore. Thank you. It was a good ride until you bought this piece of junk. That's what he's going to say. So I have to look for a new mechanic, I guess, but it's part of the deal. Who knows? Basically, I'm super scared if I'm gonna sleep at home tonight or not. So, hello, Trading Star, brother from another mother. Congratulations again on the payouts. No, not Alfa Romeo. Not Porsche. Although I love to have a Porsche. Oh man, I'm already scared if I'm gonna survive. If you don't see me tomorrow in London, it's over. You know, it's done. Yeah, new mechanic. Might as well get a new dog. Not a Mercedes. Anyway, you don't have to wait too much. Yeah, thank you, Sam. I'm gonna get killed, by the way, because she knows that I was saving up money to buy a proper vehicle, you know, like a car that we can actually rely on, you know. Oh my god, what have I done? What have I done? It's too late to back out from this now, so it's too late. I already put down a deposit, everything, so it's late now. It was good to know you guys. You just did the KYC. Nice, nice. Let's go, Trading Star. So you should be receiving it today or tomorrow at least. They just verify your KYC and you're good. Not. I wish I would have a Toyota Supra, but anyway, I'm going to have a farewell goodbye to the Mazda in a short video. And oh my god. Just keep in mind, I'm not hyping it too much anymore because it's already hyped up. Don't expect anything special. It's a $5,500 car. Old. Okay. Well, not quite old, but definitely not a new car. So don't expect anything special, but I needed something. So, but I can tell you that the previous owners kept the car in an absolute mint condition. The service history, everything is just perfect. So that's why my friend told me you have to check it out. You have to go here and check this car out because this is like unbelievably good condition. So I went, I checked myself yesterday. I was like, no way that this exists in this condition. I was like, I wasn't really a fan. Like, you know, these kind of cars, they usually like, you know, they're just falling apart. And when I saw it, I was like, oh my god, this is like still in almost saloon condition. I couldn't believe. I checked the papers, all the service bills, the history, the books, and I was like, no way. It's in absolutely mint condition. And that's why I decided, all right, I'm gonna go with it. But it's still an old car. You guys will know it tomorrow. I'm super rich, right? No, I sold the Mazda for $1K. I had the Bulenox payout, and I saved up nearly $3,000 over the past few months as an extra for changing the car, because I knew the days of the Mazda were numbered because the inspection date is coming and it's not going to get a license. So the days were numbered. But oh my god, I'm going to get killed. I'm going to get killed. You know what? Maybe I'm going to do a scheduled video for tomorrow. Like, if you see this video, that means I didn't make it. Thank you, everybody. This was the car. Only forward, yeah, only forward. Isham, good morning, good to see you. Yeah. Anyway, thank you, everybody. I'm gonna call it here. I'll be coming back today in New York. I'll be still alive in the New York session, don't worry. Hidden camera reaction, maybe I will do that. So I'll be back in the New York Open. So you will still see me once more in New York for sure. And yeah, maybe live stream from the garage. Okay. See you guys later. If you would like to support the channel, please use my codes. The Tom Sabo code works everywhere. By the way, Valentine's Day they sale at TickTickTrader. Use the code VAL. It's my code, by the way, but I couldn't figure out another one. With the code VAL, VAL, you can get instant funded accounts with a super discount price right now. So check it out if you want. But we have other good deals going on. Support the channel. I need the money for the mechanic for the new car. All right. So anyway, no, I will be here in New York stream. Okay, maybe in New York. All right. See you, everybody. God bless. Thanks for watching, and God bless again. All right. Cheers, everybody. The session was good. Have a good one.